Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mokena, local and long distance movers near me. Our qualified movers know how to ensure that your long distance move doesn't include all the worry. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our staff will assist. Our moving solutions provide you all the best choices to customize your move for your particular needs. Working with our team gives you access to all the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We need to work with an Illinois moving company. Rationalizing the cost can seem difficult. A local moving company delivers many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. The time savings you get can easily make the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you made. It will also keep you from having to deal with the heavy lifting. Our team of experts are here to make sure your move is quite efficient. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 movers simply because we simplify your entire move. Even when your move is large enough that would take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mokena moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.